Happy Monday, everybody. September 19th, 2022. I'm coming back with you again with another video. How to build an email list for your home-based business, internet marketing, anything you have to do with email list, your LLC or whatever. Simple process, grow your email list almost anytime. Like you see there, there's a good landing page, nice landing page right here. I signed up with this List Infinity quite about 6 months ago. I never used it, but I've decided I want to use it now to grow my email list, to have people to work from home now. That's where the money is. It's in the email list. Have people put their email on this landing page. That's how you grow your email list, and you get paid for it, like clockwork. You get paid for it. So again, yeah, this is what we need to build our email list for anything you want to do in life. If you don't think so, I don't know what to say. But this is what you need to build your home-based business list. All this, you need an email list, stamps, peel and stick label on the postcard, and drop it off in the mailbox. That's simple. It's not hard to work from home at all. You have to find a way to promote. You have to find a way to generate customers. You have to find a way to speak to people. Word of mouth, email lists, the mail service, priority mail service, peel and stick label, and so forth and so on. Yes, we all need a system called email list. Build your foundation to build your business. Build your foundations to build your business. This is what you need to build a business from home. Anything you touch, you have to build a foundation first before you start building your walls around to create your future home. If you don't have walls, you cannot put a roof on top of your house. You cannot put a roof on top of foundation because there's no wall to support your roof. So you have to have a system in place to build your new house. Foundation to build your walls, to support your roof, to have an enclosed home. You don't have those system in place, guess what? You homeless. You in the street. So yeah, we all need a system to build. We all need a system to do what we got to do to gain access to financial freedom. Yes, so again, this is my small video about List Infinity, how to grow your email list for any type of businesses. Again, you need system in place. Foundation first. After the foundation, you build your walls around your foundation. Then you put your roof on top of your walls, and then you put your door and your plumbing, and you got a place to call home. Yeah, everything we touch, everything we do is a system. It's a system what we do. It's a system. We can't run to making a system. We cannot run from it. You have to build a system. Social media is a system. Traffic training is a system. To gain access to financial freedom, we need system in place. Yeah, so again, I'm making this video on this day, September 9th, 19th, 2022 at 1:12 p.m. I just feel like making this video to let you guys know that you need a foundation for any type of businesses and a system in place to be a financial freedom but the business owner and go from there. Okay, thank you. Come back with you again with another video.